All right, it's 5 a.m. Jaws is gonna be huge. I just checked the buoys. 23 feet at 20 seconds over on Oahu right now. It's about 4 hours away. That's gonna be big. I mean, that's 50 feet, 60 feet, maybe close to 70 on the sets. They weren't predicting this, but I'm really excited. So a little nervous, but that's a good thing. I have my impact vest because you never know what it's gonna be like when you get hit by a giant wave or a board. And then I got my inflation vest, so I'm gonna wear this because this will get me to the surface really quick, like taking an elevator rather than taking the stairs. So I'll change into that, and got a 15-pound tow board. This is gonna do the trick. It's supposed to be really windy, kind of choppy, so maybe some new airs. I don't know, I've been thinking about some things, so excited to get out there, and you know, this is what all the training is for. You don't get these days that often, so fired up. Yeah, gonna change. Oh, also thanks Kiriyuma for supporting me in this video. These are my favorites right now. All right, let's do this. Inflation vest. Make sure everything's good on this. Pull tabs are clear, cartridges are in. And for this next part, I'm gonna have you turn away. All right, ready to go. Let's do this.
that's so funny. Oh, no. Oh my God.
Back off, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong. Headstrong, we're headstrong. Back off, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong, and this is not where you belong. You belong. I can't give everything away. This is not where you belong. I won't give everything away. I know all about, I know all about, I know all about, I know all about your motives inside and your decision to hide. Back off, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong. Headstrong, we're headstrong. Back off, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong, and this is not where you belong. Where you belong. This is not where you belong. I can't give everything away. This is not where you belong. I won't give everything where you belong. This is not where you
Thanks for watching the video. Had so much fun. Black Friday, giant waves, definitely some beat downs, and looking forward to the next swell. All the training did pay off, which was nice. There's still so much to learn, working on the flips, working on the chop hops. Really difficult to read some of those waves, so when it gets better, it's gonna get a lot easier to try to get those long barrels again. But I just wanna thank Carrie Yuma for supporting the video, supporting me as an athlete. And for the next video, I'm gonna do a breakdown on what it's like to get pounded out there. I mean, I had some pretty spectacular falls this time around. First wave of the day, getting caught inside, just a little bit deep. I think I faded a little bit too much. Honestly, I was looking for that chop to do a big 360. And so that'll be fun to talk about. And then as I was trying to dial in my flip, ended up like going out the back and taking a bomb on the head, and there's some more like that. So I'm gonna do a video breaking it down, and hopefully you watch it and enjoy it. Till then, we'll see you on the water. Aloha.